10 ways to be more sustainable in your garden. If you're passionate about nurturing a sustainable garden that not only flourishes but also contributes positively to our planet, you've come to the right place. We'll delve into the art and science of sustainable gardening, sharing with you 10 invaluable tips that will supercharge your garden's potential. Here are 10 ways to cultivate a more sustainable garden. 1. Composting. Start a compost pile to recycle organic waste like kitchen scraps, leaves, and yard trimmings. This nutrient-rich compost will enhance soil fertility, reduce waste, and limit the need for chemical fertilizers. 2. Water conservation. Install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for garden irrigation. Additionally, consider drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to plant roots, minimizing evaporation and water waste. 3. Native plants. Choose native plants that are adapted to your region's climate and soil conditions. They require less water, pesticides, and fertilizers, promoting biodiversity and supporting local wildlife. 4. Natural pest control. Implement natural pest control methods such as companion planting, where certain plants repel pests or attract beneficial insects. For instance, marigolds can deter nematodes while attracting pollinators like bees. 5. Organic gardening practices. Embrace organic gardening techniques by avoiding synthetic pesticides and herbicides. Instead, opt for natural alternatives like neem oil, diatomaceous earth, or introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs to control pests. 6. Mulching. Apply organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulch also decomposes over time, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. 7. Crop rotation. Rotate crops annually to prevent soil depletion and inhibit the buildup of pests and diseases. Different plants have varying nutrient needs, so rotation helps maintain soil fertility and balance. 8. Saving seeds. Preserve and exchange seeds from your own plants or join seed-sharing networks to promote genetic diversity and resilience in crops. Saving seeds also reduces reliance on commercially produced seeds. 9. Sustainable tools and materials. Invest in durable, eco-friendly garden tools made from recycled or renewable materials. Consider using reclaimed materials for raised beds or garden structures to reduce waste and environmental impact. 10. Educate and share. Spread awareness about sustainable gardening practices within your community. Organize workshops, share surplus produce, or participate in local gardening groups to exchange knowledge and promote sustainable gardening. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.